welcome to chrispalmer.org. First and foremost, I have to say thank you so much that you've taken the time to interact with my brand. With that being said, a couple of things about support. Please do not just say hello. Let us know who you are. What's your email? What's your concern? How can we help you? The second piece is the support is live 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you come in and say hi or hello or leave a question, give us 5 minutes to respond. If we do not respond within that 5 minutes, come back to the message. I guarantee you before 3 p.m. Eastern Time, you will have an answer there. Go down to the bottom. I have jump links going to and answering pretty much every question that we frequently get. Now, if you need consulting, I have a link for that. If you're not sure exactly what you want to order, down below you'll see, not sure what I need? Hey, I have a link. I can help you out. If you need strategy or technique, I have a link for you. If you just have issues filling out the form, maybe you're confused, maybe you're having trouble, you need somebody to assist you filling out the form, I have someone for that. If it's just order intake, let's say you have multiple orders, you want somebody to fill out all the forms, do the intake for you. Maybe you're not quite sure what to put inside the boxes. You're not sure what your CID is or whatever the case is. I have someone to assist you with that. You book a time, all right? Click the link that says order intake or help filling out form. If you're interested in bulk white label, if you want to work with us, if you have clients and you want us to fulfill certain types of orders, reach out. There's a link for that. If you want to become an affiliate, if you don't want us just to fulfill orders, but you want to help us offer our quality services to friends, family, or business associates, I have an option for you. Aside from that, if you're just having trouble ordering, there's a link for that. It says trouble ordering. If you want to work with us monthly, right? You want monthly services, not just one-off, or you're not just, you want something monthly, I have a button for that. If you just need a refund, it's just a refund message inside of the order, all right? Under each order, you have the ability to open a ticket or message under the order. The best thing to do is open the ticket or request a revision, and we'll process it from there. Old store issues. If you were with us when we had the old platform as we were learning how to service our clients the best, and you had problems in the past, let us know your name. Did you use PayPal? Did you use Stripe? Was it credit card? What did you order? What name did you use? And when did you order it? As much information as possible. You can always visit chrispalmerseo.spp.io and log in through the old portal and see your old orders and gather up the information that you need. If you need a refund or if you just need a report, we'll be happy to give it to you. Aside from that, if you're interested in SEO courses, you'll see down below there's links for that. Or if you're interested in our masterminds, whether it's YouTube Mastermind, SEO testing mastermind, or group coaching mastermind, I have links below for that as well. My name is Chris Palmer. This is chrispalmer.org. My brother and I thank you so much for interacting with our brand, using our services, learning with us. We're thrilled to be able to assist you on your SEO journey. Tammy is our representative here. You're probably talking to her down below in the chat. Remember, we're all people here, right? And our only goal is to help you succeed.